Hey guys, welcome to Frank's RC Bash. So just wanted to go over my most recent Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL lighting, LED lighting setup. And this time around, the original green lights and the three lower headlights down here work fine still. They're running off the actual car battery. But now I have the additional LED lights, which are running off a 9-volt battery. I'll just give you the roundabout look here. So this is the back end. So those lights are under the rear spoiler, as you can see right there. And then the green LED lights are on the underside of the body. Those are wired directly into the car. And then there's three more, lights up top on the back just above my roll bar system that I created. So far it's taken my punishment without blinking, especially these, the ones I've mounted down under the body area. So I'll go ahead and pop the cover off here so you can see. Lights on, give you a little better look. The only trace you can really see is a cable. This one runs back into the battery system back here. This one is hooked up to the 9-volt, which is actually tucked right under the body. Go ahead and pop the top off here. So the first thing you'll see is my cable. I have a single cable running down, and you see right there 9-volt battery hooked up. It just so happens to fit perfectly right there, and this is just can do kind of a breakaway thing like that. So if you forget about it and you go to rip the body off, it just disconnects off the 9-volt there. You can see on the tip of it up here, I have a zip tie running underneath the battery and then over part of the frame right there. Sorry if this is out of focus. And then the two tips for the 9-volt battery, right there is where it plugs in. And the zip tie in between doesn't affect it at all. They still pop right into place. Alright, so looking under the hood, see the battery's plugged in, how my wires come in. There actually are lights under here. I covered it with electrical tape for now because I didn't want to drown out the blue or the white underneath. But I thought it was kind of cool with one light shining back down directly in between the shock towers there. And so try to keep everything as close as I could. All the wires are super glued. I dotted super glue at intervals to keep everything locked into place. Ran the E-shrink over all my connections. Helped me also tuck down the wires. Everything kind of locked into place there, and so it all culminates into one nice, fairly tidy design as far as that goes. Alright guys, so there you have it. It's my Rustler 4x4 VXL LED light modification setup running on a 9-volt battery. So hope this video helped you guys out as always. Please thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Go to my homepage to look for the RC car giveaway, which is the current one. I'll be doing a lot of other giveaways in the future so you can catch up with whatever the current one is. So as always, thanks for watching Frank's Tech Help. Peace. Gotta get my piece in there. Gotta get my piece in there. Later.